Hello, dear friends. This is Maria Lillepruun. Welcome to my channel. This is the video for Ciao Bella Hop. I've got several nice paper bags from Ciao Bella. For example, Voyage Extraordinaire, very beautiful steampunk paper, and also free pattern pads. One of them is especially for this steampunk paper, and the two others are just Evergreen Classics, black and white and brown. And I've chosen to work with this brown pad, which is called Caramel Mocha. I'm going to make a notebook with mixed media cover and many dividers inside of it. And as you see, I'm right now making the dividers. I just cut out the proper size paper sheets and also some elements, some decorative elements which I just cut out of the big sheet, and also the cover sheet has smaller cutting elements on the back side, and they are all good to use. Right now I'm just folding the papers together, and all of them will be different dividers within my notebook. I'm going to bind it by hand. I've dyed some office paper with tea, so as you see it's not snow white anymore, and I create small groups of sheets, and right now I will bind them together with a thread, and each group of the paper sheets has one piece of pattern paper in it, and later on I will just glue them together to make a thicker divider. Here is the binded book, and right now I'm adding the side sheets, the end sheets, I mean, probably it's the better word, and just glue all the threads to the back and let it stay for some time. Now let's go on with the cover. I use a 2mm cardstock, and I glue it with PVA to a cotton fabric. This will be my little canvas to work on. Now let's add some texture. I take a stencil and a transparent texture paste, and when it's dry I add some color with sprays, ink sprays, and I also color the textile elements. Just some pieces of different fabric, cotton, and any natural fabric will do actually. Now let's add some vintage texture using golden nugget texture paste, and when it will dry it will be kind of dirty golden color. Now I will apply decorations to the front cover. I mix the layers, the textile and the paper layers together. As you see, I distress the edges of the paper using a distresser tool and distress ink. because my notebook is really old looking. It should be old looking. Now a small decorative spoon in the middle, because the name of the notebook is going to be Coffee Time. Now I take some chipboards and I decorate them with embossing powders. I decided to mix 3 different embossing powders to make a more complex look. The sprays and the powders I will in this gank. Now let's attach them to the front cover. Now the back cover, I sprinkle the pattern paper with water, so it will be more smooth when I glue it with frizzy gloss medium to the back cover. Now let's add some coffee beans into the spoon. I distress the edges of the paper sheets, and now I will add very many decorative elements inside my notebook to the end sheets and to the all dividers. I will decorate them all with the elements I cut out. Here you can see how I glue together the 2 sides of one paper sheet, and this way I make thicker dividers within my notebook. I also decorate the edge with lace. As you can see, it's sticking a bit out of the borders of the page. Let's strengthen the back side. And add some more decorative elements. I distress all the edges, and also I decide to add some overlay, acetate overlay, and some old book pages. Some stamps and some color splashes. Now I stitch the beads to the back side, because before that I just glued them and it was not really enough. And I glue the metallic corners. Let's make some more stamping. And now I take mirror foil flakes and I attach them to the surface here and there chaotically using a frizzy gloss gel, kind of imitating gilding. and some glitter, some more bling bling in the middle. Now I add some crackle varnish, colored one here and there. It also will glue together the minor elements on the cover. And now it's time to put the notebook block inside the cover. But before that, I decided to distress the edges of the dividers and the end sheets a little bit more using the distress ink. And I added some word stickers to all the dividers. Now I take a polymer contact glue and I glue the block within the cover. I let it dry a little bit and now I can show you the whole notebook. I hope you liked my video. Thank you very much for your attention. Thank you, Ciao Bella, for the possibility to work with your very beautiful papers. I really like the vintage style, it's very me. I will definitely continue using the other pads I got from Ciao Bella, and you will definitely see more creations. I already can't wait to cut that steampunk Jules Verne collection. The theme for this notebook is coffee and time. Take time to drink coffee, take time to think, to read books, to enjoy life. This is not time wasted. Thank you once again. Visit all the other designers' channels for more beautiful creations. Have a nice day. Bye bye.